Hello everyone, welcome to Fortnight with FlytBase, where we release 14 updates in 14 consecutive days. Today, we're going to talk about the reporting module from Verkos, which happens to be the first release of Verkos. And for that, I'm joined with Sejal, who's going to help us understand what the reporting module is all about and why we built it in the first place. So, without any further ado, Sejal, what is it that this module provides? Why reporting in the first place?
So, actually, Kaushal, we realized that almost all our customers are creating reports. So, they are creating daily, weekly, monthly reports. They are creating shift reports. And if you look at those reports now, they are extremely detailed. Now, the reason for these reports is twofold. One is to prove ROI to their end user that yes, their services are actually provided some value. And second, if anything happens, like if any breach happens or if there is any issue detected, then they can report it so that and send it to their up the chain of command.
So like stakeholder, like communicating it across stakeholders.
Exactly. Right. So that the stakeholders can take the necessary action. So, like I said, if you look at these reports, they are extremely detailed. They start from they document everything. What was the telemetry of the drone data before a flight? What was the telemetry of drone data after the flight? What happened at the incident? What were the SOPs that were followed?
Right.
And the thing is that our customers provide security to such high-end areas where incidents like this happen on a daily basis.
Wow.
Like in a week, you can say for one site, in a week you can look at more than 10 incidents per site. Now, to create these reports, our customers have to do a lot of juggling. They have to capture screenshots, they have to pull in data from multiple sources, then they put it all in a document, Word document, and then they create the final product. And that single daily report takes anywhere from 30 minutes to 2 hours, depending on what incident was there.
Wow. So today, what I gather is folks are creating reports to justify ROI, to communicate across stakeholders. And to create these reports, it takes anywhere between 30 minutes to 2 hours.
Just the daily reports.
Just the daily reports.
Just the daily reports.
And then what is it that Verkos is helping us do here?
So, through Verkos, the Verkos reporting module is completely aimed to reduce this overhead. So, what we provide is we want to, with the help of AI, we want to reduce this overhead to a minimum and ensure that whatever data that the customer needs is there in the report finally at the end of the day. So, it doesn't matter if it's an incident report, if it's a daily report, if it's a shift report or monthly report. If it's a report that is created with the aim of proving ROI, or if it's a report that's created with the aim of documenting what happened when an incident had taken place. Doesn't matter.
Yeah, so these are super context-rich reports.
Exactly.
And how long does it typically take to create these with the module?
Take a wild guess.
I don't know.
Like manually, it takes anywhere. Even the most basic report takes 2 hours. Incident reports, the monthly shift takes more than 2 hours. Take a wild guess about.
I would say 15 minutes.
2 minutes.
Wow.
Under 2 minutes. So under 2 minutes, the customers are able to get extremely detailed reports based on the context they have settled. And the Verkos AI takes context from customers' SOP, the site context, what they monitor at the site, so that the final product is extremely rich. It's actually richer than what a manual human would have been able to create in the 20x amount of time.
Right. So reports that took 2 hours are now being made in 2 minutes, and they are 20x better than what they were previously. That's how you use the Verkos reporting module, and we're really excited with what we have lined up. And I can't wait to share all the new updates with you. I'm sure Sejal would feel the same. So see you guys tomorrow on day 12. And before we go, if you guys want to sign up for the beta program of Verkos, just reach us out. We can get you access to this module. It's not available for everyone. We're rolling it out in a phase. Thank you.